Hello and welcome to the Fall 2020 semester here at LA Harbor College. My name is Teresa Tao and I'm one of the EOPS counselors here to support you. So for those of you who are joining us for your first semester at Harbor or at EOPS, welcome. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. We're excited to be working with you all again during this fall semester. So we know that it's been a big transition to having all of our courses and services online. So this summer we've been working really hard to ensure that while we are remote, that we can still provide the same services to you during your academic journey. We're excited to connect with you again. We're excited to hear your stories, and we are also going to be here when you need us to support you and help you out. So this is our new Canvas shell. So this is going to be our virtual office essentially. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Canvas yet, it's important to log into your student portal, click on the Canvas tile and access your Canvas account. This is going to be where all the courses in your class is going to provide the syllabus information, course material, and assignments that need to be completed. If there are any issues and you don't see your course, please reach out to your professors to ensure that you're added to the class and you don't miss on any of the curriculum that is beginning immediately. And while EOPS isn't a course, this is a good way for us to show you what resources are available and to show you if you're on track in completing your responsibilities here at EOPS. And on the main page, there's going to be a couple things to keep an eye out for. On the left-hand side, it's going to be the Canvas information for all of your Canvas courses. So the dashboard will be kind of the shortcut to access all your courses. Then you're going to have courses, which you get to select which course you want to view. Then you have your calendar view, which combines all of the different deadlines between all of your courses into one area, your inbox, where you can talk to your teachers and talk to ask questions to your teachers about assignments or anything that you missed out on. And help is if you're having issues with Canvas, you can access that as well. On our own homepage, we have a couple different things. So when you log on, you will see this area, which has a couple quick shortcut buttons to help guide you to where you want to go. So we have about EOPS, meet with a counselor, book grant information, tutoring, finding a workshop, submitting your progress report. And for CARE and CAFE students, as we continue adding more to our Canvas EOPS office, there will be more information for you all there as well. Just to note, our online office hours are Monday through Thursday, 9 through 4, Friday, 8 to 12, and that everything is still going to be remote and that the campus is still closed. There's still ways to contact us by telephone, email, or to live chat with us during our virtual office hours. So if you ever have any questions, you can always hop on here during our office hours and start chatting with one of our EOPS staff to answer your questions. On the right side, you'll see view course calendar. So if we have events, we're going to be putting it on there. There's a to-do, so we'll talk more about what these to-dos are. There's an announcement button of any new announcements that will be there. We will have our first contact verification, second contact verification, progress report, third contact, workshop verification. So with that, this is kind of the responsibilities that you as an EOPS student have to complete during your time to ensure that you get the full services and also receive the book grant in the following semesters. And so here we have announcements. So anytime there's a new announcement, you'll receive, depending on your setting, you will receive an announcement. So here our Assistant Director Counselor, Cameron, has done a welcome and open house announcement. So be sure to check it out. Modules is where everything's going to be expanded. So there are two ways to access our resources. So either from the home page, you can click on one of these buttons. So example, if I want to meet with the counselor, it will pull me to the module where it can meet with the counselor. But we're going to go back to modules just so we can do things in order. So first, connect with the EOPS team. And modules are just kind of like sections of resources in your Canvas course. So the first one we have connect with the EOPS team. We are still available for appointment and drop-in, so make sure you click on one of these and it will open up the Cranium Cafe page. If you want more information about Cranium Cafe and how to access that, we'd be happy to help you with that. So when you see this page, you will see the EOPS info window. You're going to see our counselor assistants available. Then you can contact one of them to schedule with one of a counselor during an appointment. And as we are working on building your tutoring schedule, you'll be able to schedule an appointment with a tutor to support your homework, to support your assignments as well. We also have our counselors on here that may be available for live chat, but always just make sure to check in with our info desk or one of our counselor assistants like you would in person so that you can check in with one of us. So if we return to modules, then the second portion is the EOPS student responsibilities. So earlier on in the orientation, we always talk about our mutual responsibility contract. And so with that, how we're keeping track of if you've completed everything is a point system. And so there's 5 essential things that you'll need to complete. There's going to be 3 counseling contacts: first contact, second contact, third contact. So a total of 30 points. You will need to submit your progress report and you will need to complete an EOPS workshop. So this provides an overview. Then each one of these, we won't go into detail for time, but each one of these will talk about what you'll go over in the first contact, and then you will get verified for the first contact verification. So you don't need to do anything for first or second or third contact after you meet with a counselor. We'll automatically log on for you. But during second contact, you will be responsible for uploading your progress report. So this is going to be, whoops, it is locked right now, but there's going to be instructions on how to provide your progress report to us. So there's going to be an area where you can upload your information based on your grades in Canvas. And then eventually you're going to have to complete a workshop this semester as well. And then there are a couple ways to do workshops this year. So we're able to unlock that. But for the workshop verification, there's going to be a couple different ways where you can attend a workshop. So either join a EOPS live workshop, an EOPS self-paced workshop, or any other campus department that's providing a workshop. For example, Transfer Center, Life Skills Center, Job Placement Center. But if they are other workshops around campus, be sure to submit the verification form, which this area tells you more about how to do. So with that, this module of EOPS Student Responsibilities reviews everything that you need to do to maintain your eligibility for EOPS. So first contact, second contact, progress report, and third contact and workshop verification. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about EOPS, then there is the EOPS history available here. For book grant information, I know that's something all of you are always looking for updates or making sure if your name is on there. This module will allow you to look at what book grant information is available and who is on the current list. So for all of you who are coming back, make sure to look at that information. And as we proceed, there's a couple EOPS resources. So for those of you who want to share more about EOPS to your friends, you can open up these couple links to kind of read the information, share a couple links with them. For those of you who are part of CARE and CAFES, there's going to be more information about specific resources. There's a list of campus resources around campus, so all the different departments, between programs, student services, student life, so you can quickly access their website. And then there's also going to be a couple community resources. So we know right now there's a need for technology, a need for shelter, a need for food. There's a lot of resources that are available in the community resources. And as we get more, we'll continue to add that onto this page. So below, there's a list of workshop opportunities. So again, there are 3 ways to attend a workshop, and the first being self-paced workshops. So these workshops are now online, and you can click on one of them, go through the content and material, and then answer the questions at the end to receive workshop credit. There's also going to be live workshops available. We'll post that information here, and you can click on them to find out more information and what information you need to attend. So for the self-paced and the live workshops, you do not need to submit the workshop verification. And for the campus workshops, we'll be posting them as we receive information about them, and that will be important to submit the workshop verification we talked about earlier. Here's an example. If we click on one of the self-paced workshops, this is a way for you to do a workshop on your own time, on your own schedule, and still pick up a couple strategies and support as well. So for example, this workshop is in a video format. Some may provide additional course material. Then once you review that material, you'll then go to the next page where you would take the survey and answer the questions, and you would receive workshop credit. So with that, we covered how to make an appointment with a counselor, what are the responsibilities of an EOPS student, EOPS history, book grant information, EOPS resources within EOPS and in the campus and in the community, and the list of workshops. So that pretty much summarizes our virtual EOPS office through our Canvas portal. We hope that this information is helpful for you, and again, if there's any questions, always please feel free to call us. Our number is available here. Someone will return your call as quickly as possible, or you can email us, or we are always available by live chat during the hours. So again, we look forward to connecting with you, and we hope you have a great semester. Thank you.